It is 92 files and 14,251 lines of code.
You beast. Welcome to another vlog. If you guys like these vlogs, give this video a thumbs up so we know, and then of course hit that subscribe button to be part of our freelance and entrepreneur family. We greatly appreciate it. Happy Tuesday, even though you're probably not watching this on a Tuesday, but maybe. I'm drinking my coffee. I got this, it says Microsoft meat. This is like the perfect size coffee mug. We got these at the Microsoft conference last year. They were actually giving these out for free for like speakers and people that were invited. I get to go to a lot of Microsoft stuff because I work with them like as a contractor on a contractor basis. But yeah, just chilling. It is 9:35 and yeah, just kind of grinding, responding to emails this morning. Let me set you guys down. I feel like we go over this every day. Somebody is jamming to the Black Eyed Peas out there. But yeah, so I am drinking my coffee and then I'm eating some crackers. I take vitamins in the mornings, and if I don't eat like, I don't know, 10 crackers or eat or have a smoothie or something, I will start to dry heave. I know it's kind of gross, but yeah. So that is my morning, and I kind of wanted to show you guys my like work from home setup and kind of go over just, you know, like my day. So I have like my computer over here. I have this stand that I think Josh got from Amazon, and you can obviously use books or anything else. And we got this monitor. We won it at a raffle at a Christmas party, but it's a really nice Samsung. I think it's supposed to be for gaming actually. So it has really good like visual quality. I do a lot of design work and video editing, and so it really helps. So Josh actually won it, but he gave it to me because he's a sweetie. And then I have motivational stuff on my desk. I'm very much under the idea that motivation is very, very fleeting. And so you can watch like a YouTube video and get motivated and pumped, but it doesn't last so long. So I like to put quotes, and some of these are from me and some of these I found online that I just like to glance at throughout my workday. And then I of course have my Luna Lovegood Funko Pop. This would be who I would be if I was in the Harry Potter realm. So I really like her because she's super original and she's just herself, and that's how she is. And yeah, kind of like what you see is what you get with her. And then I have these Harry Potter candles, and if it'll focus on it. This is Christmas at Hogwarts. And it smells like heaven. So those are like very Harry Potter themed candles. I don't know if you guys are interested in this stuff. I can send you links. I got the Funko on Amazon, and this is just an Etsy shop that I get the candles from. And then back here, boop, 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 I have my college degree. And then I have some, you know, books, a ton of books that I've read, motivational sign. And then I have these magazines. You can see these. There's money, and then there's a glamour in there. Those are magazines that I've been featured in. So right here is my Powerpuff memorabilia station. So I actually helped build the Powerpuff Girls app. It's powerpuffyourself.com. You build yourself into a Powerpuff avatar, then you take a quiz, and then you can put your avatar on a gift background, plain background, or a pattern background. So I helped build that for their team. Super fun. We did it in Vue.js. If you have any questions, hit me with them. And then I have my Barbie corner, which may seem odd, but I was, last year, 2019, I was one of Barbie's role models for their STEM, like robotics and engineering Barbie. So I got to go and like give some talks here in Florida, and yeah, they gave me all this really cool stuff, and I don't know, if you were a girl, maybe even a guy, you played with Barbies as a kid. So that was really cool. So I keep all this stuff around me to know like all the stuff that I've accomplished and how far I've come. And I think that's really important because put you guys down, because on a day-to-day you probably forget all the cool things that you've done. I know I do, and we can always look at other people and get compared to them, or even as we're doing stuff we'll suffer from imposter syndrome. Trust me, I've been doing this for years and I still get it, but it's about having the confidence and the ability to believe in yourself and being able to like view the things that you've already done kind of like levels up your confidence in a sense. And I think that really helps, especially if you are in the world of freelance like myself, because freelancing, you have to sell your skills and your basically your business to other businesses to help them. So yeah, that's kind of just like my little mini office tour. I have some live plants over here and some fake ones up there, hoping to get more real plants in the future. But yeah, I'm gonna get to work. I hope you guys like this. Let me know in the comments. What was that, Scoobs?
So, I just submitted a PR. Now this is, if you're working with a lot of people, it's actually better to do smaller PRs, but since I'm the only one working on this particular portion of the project, it is 92 files and 14,251 lines of code.
You beast. Quick update from Josh.
Alright, shortly after filming that little snippet with Brandy there, I realized a lot of people probably won't know what a PR is. A PR is essentially a group of changes that gets submitted to the project. To think about it in terms of something maybe a little bit more relatable, think if you were building a house and you were measuring pieces of wood added, light fixtures, nails, anything that would go into pipes, wiring. It's all stuff that goes into actually building the software product. And so that's what a PR is. It's essentially a group of things built and done, ready to go into the project. Just like if you are building a house, you got to frame it, you got to put in the internal guts, wires, plumbing, then you put the walls and then the paint and all the finishes on. Well, same things with products, software products. So I was essentially building a lot of framing and some of the guts, pipes, wiring, and stuff like that. So that's what it is. Hope that clarifies anybody that was wondering what the heck is a PR request and why is it cool. That's it.
There he is.
There we go.
We are doing yogurt for lunch. A ton of goodies. Josh puts protein in his. We do almonds,
walnuts, cranberries.
And then we top it off with some like crunchy cereal granola. But yeah, we've been doing yogurts for a while since I started like switched over my diet. I think like in January.
Yeah, after Christmas.
Yeah, I was dealing with some gut health issues that I talk about more on my Instagram channel, not really on here. But we switched. I pretty much switched to all like non-dairy food.
Yeah, and the only dairy I still eat. Well, every now and then I'll eat cheese. I love
we
cheese
order
though.
pizza sometimes, like very rarely now.
But I would say 95% of our diet is very clean, dairy-free, except for eggs.
Yeah, we do eggs.
Yeah.
We still do eggs.
But yogurt's nice and light. We fill it with good stuff. We put protein in it, and because like lunch, I hated how after I would eat heavy lunches, I would be like so tired and kind of almost like worn out while my body's trying to like process all that stuff. So eating a yogurt is like super light, and I don't feel tired after. Yeah. It's
easy to digest. So that's really what we do, because I also don't like feeling full.
Oh yeah, and this is
tired.
also, we just said we don't do dairy, but this is actually, we do almond yogurt, so it's made from almond milk.
Yeah.
Or we'll do coconut milk yogurt. So
Just depends kind of what's on sale or which store we go to.
Yeah, but we don't do traditional yogurt, but...
Nope. But yeah, so we're going to make our yogurt and eat. And probably watch an Office episode or something.
Something like that.
Alright, post lunch, we are making coffee and I'm doing a pour over because it tastes better. And Josh is updating his Call of Duty game. He's not playing, but updating, right?
Yeah, every now and then you gotta go into the game so he'll start a download, and sometimes literally the download takes like an hour to happen. So I try to go in ahead of time so it can start. It's my brother's birthday today, and he loves this game, and so we're gonna jump on and play with him later for his birthday.
Call of Duty!
Call of Duty.
Let me know if you get that reference. Alright, you guys, that is going to end today's vlog. I am currently working in her bedroom, and I'm going to finish out the night. It's like 8:15. I have a few more things I need to finish. Josh is down playing Call of Duty, so I'm going to chill here and finish working, and I hope you guys have a good rest of your day. If you like this video and these vlogs, give us a thumbs up so we know, and of course subscribe to our channel below. See you guys tomorrow.